I think this is one of the best courses that I have come across. If you want to be healthy, reach out to NFNA. I'm Reena Nag. I am based out of Chennai. I work in a multinational bank, Barclays. I am a mother of a 13-year-old. That's just about me in brief. So I've completed the certification in applied nutrition and I'm currently pursuing the diploma in applied nutrition. When I was infected with COVID last year, that's when I started searching for courses in Google, browsing here and there, and that's when I came to know about NFNA. The journey so far has been amazing, quite a good experience, a lot of knowledge. I'm happy that NFNA has been able to accommodate our weekend classes, which is suitable for working professionals like us. And most importantly, the faculties that we have come across so far, they have immense knowledge and they are always ready to help. They make sure that each one of us has understood the topic, and at the same time, if we go back to them with the queries or with the doubts, they are very, very encouraging. They are very supportive. They resolve our queries, whether on WhatsApp or for that matter, they share the links where we can go and find more details and more researches. I like the classes. I get to know so many things which I was not aware of when it comes to food. I became all the more thoughtful, very mindful about what I eat. A very simple food, which I didn't know the benefits of it. The diverse background that we have in our batches, that is amazing. To sit with them, to talk with them, engage with them, get ideas, share your ideas. I think that's the best thing I can speak of these classes. It is one-stop shop where if they want to do a course for their well-being and fitness, I think this is one of the best courses that I have come across. I think most of the knowledge that I'm gaining from NFNA, I can implement it on my daily life, and of course, when I start getting my clients, I'll definitely have to include it. Whether it is the delivery of the books or T-shirts or other materials, very, very proactive, so quite supportive. In my own office, one of my colleagues reached out to me. After enrolling with this course, I started sending out a lot of emails on well-being, health, fitness, and all those things. And this is being noticed and highlighted by the CEOs and directors over the leadership team. So meanwhile, few of my colleagues also came to know that I'm pursuing this course, and they reached out to me if you could help me with a nutrition or diet plan. My daughter was training for badminton, so the coach had a lot of kids who are completely sports enthusiasts. So he said he will be very soon introducing me to few of the parents whose kids are being coached by him. So I'm looking forward to more clients from him as well. If you want to be healthy, reach out to NFNA.